Swambhunath Temple is located in Swambhunath Municipality at Saptari district, that is 11 km far from Rajbiraz, and it is beside the Mahendra Highway. The municipality has got its name on it. There is the most sacred abode of Lord Shiva. The temple was established after earthquake of PS 1990. Mr. Butsman Goyle of Kachandaha Village Development Committee started the construction work, and it was completed by Darshan Shah from the same village. The temple is built in pagoda style and there are pradakshina marked in all sides. There is a pond in front of the temple of 3 bighas, that is 4,864 square meter. Probably there is the largest shivling of Nepal, built in a shape of a pillar having octangular form. It is 5 feet and 5 inches tall.
Swambhunath temple we find on the Mahendra Highway. It is a great temple that we get in Saptari district. If the social club, youth organizations, youth club, they participate and they welcome for the development of this municipality, the whole thing that depends upon the base point of the development of Swambhunath temple. It can be a good tourism place, especially for the religious view. Lots of people who go through the Mahendra Highway, they are surprised after looking such a beautiful temple.
The temple is located in between Katona and Rupani Bazar. People say it is increasing in shape day by day. It could be pillar of some royal palace. It was found near Kharo River in old days. According to Professor Das, it was carried on an oxen cart. It was found near Kharo River in old days. According to Professor Das, it was carried on an auction cart to Swambhunath. The temple was built in 16th century, although the shivling is very old.
एहि मंदिर में जे स्थापित लिंग छै जेकरा शंभुनाथ बाबा कह के कहै छी तऽ इहो बढ़ै छै से कह के जन विश्वास रहैत आयल छै। खास करके नया वर्ष के समय में अर्थात सिरुआ के समय में मेला लागे छै, जे कि 1 महीना से लके 1.5 महीना धरि मेला लागे छै। एहि स्थल में शंभुनाथ नगर पालिका के विकास में सेहो एकटा महत्वपूर्ण योगदान पहुंचते, जे कारण जे पूर्व पश्चिम लोक मार्ग संगे जुड़ल छै, सहज यातायात सेहो भ सकै छै। तै खातिर एहि स्थल के संरक्षण संवर्धन भेनाइ अति आवश्यक छै।
There are beautiful carved stones. One is in vortex shape and others are carved with gods and goddesses. There is a trace of curry in western side of temple. People say that there were the statues of tigers, elephants and horses, indicating its linkage with a royal palace in certain season.
Shambhunath temple located at Shambhunath also attracts a large number of worshippers, especially during a month-long fair in Baisakh every year. A pillar of Chandrabhoga Palace of King Chandraketu, a ruler of Sen dynasty, brought by the swirling waters of Khado River, is found to have been installed and worshipped as Shivling at this temple.
People believe that one can be cured from different skin diseases after Vakal, that is, making some promises near God. After being cured, one offers a lot of brinjals and champ covering to the god made by Mali community.
पूर्वज काल की शिवलिंग अछि, बहुत पुराना शिवलिंग अछि। ई शिवलिंग चंद्रभोगा जंगल से लावल गेल अछि, ओहिठाम स्थापना भेल अछि और भक्तजन सब इनका पूजा पाठ करैत अछि। वर्ष अंतर्गत नया वर्ष जब बैसाख 1 गते से ज्येष्ठ 15 गते तक मेला लागैत अछि, ओहिमे भक्तजन सब आबैत अछि और श्रावण मास में जति भी शिव के व्रत अछि बाबा सोमनाथ के मंदिर में भक्तजन सब आबै छथि और जल अर्पण करैत अछि और मनोकामना सिद्ध करैत, सर्व पाप नष्ट करैत धन्य धान्य लोक प्राप्ति करैत अछि।
The largest fair takes place here for nearly a month and a half in Baishakh. A lot of people gather here on the days of Ananta Chaturdasi, Mahashivratri, Ekadasi, Mondays of Shravan month. Nowadays there are temples of Parvati, Hanuman, Peniram, Sasya Maharaja, Ganinath and Ram Janaki. There is also Vivah Mandap and Basaha called an ox in front of it that attracts tourists and visitors. Sirwa fair is very popular in the area. There is great chance of attracting tourists if the pond in front of it is maintained. A shrine called Dharmashala is well managed. One must construct and manage the place for its further development as a tourist center.
Namaste. First of all, we want to express our views, everybody, that we had to suffer a lot of problems during making the documentary of the historical, religious place and the places which having importance in tourism in its Saptari districts. We had suffered hunger, thirst, storm, rainfall, mud, sunshine, etc. In the time of making the documentary of the places such as Chinnamasta goddess Shaktipeeth, Kankalini goddess, Rajdevi goddess, Samunath temple, Dinabhadri place, Manraja Gadi, Kosi Tapu wildlife reserves and the Chandra canal etc. We heartily expect suggestions from all the sensible and considerable audience and viewers about all our day to night by doing labor and the attempt in making this documentary by the different FM stations and in the related sport as well. We want to inform that 25% amount of profit earned by marketing this documentary will be spent on helping the orphans, disabled, helpless, sufferers and poor children as well as for those organizations which work for the life, safety, education, skill, self-employment, health and personality development of the elderly and mentally disabled. We internally appeal everybody for the helping us in our Save the Human and Humanity campaign. We want to express our special obligations from the care of our heart to all the individual and organization for direct or indirect cooperation and mutual understanding.